looks like you made a hamburger.
Mm-hmm.
And you made it, oh, medium rare, thank you. And it looks like kimchi. Oh, you fried it?
Yeah.
Is this your kimchi? You
My
made
mom's kimchi.
it's your mom's kimchi. Your mom's kimchi is spicy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't put any extra spice.
It's spicy.
Oh.
And a good thing I like spicy food. The kimchi at the supermarket usually isn't that spicy.
No.
Is it just the kimchi?
It's kimchi.
It has so much flavor.
Right?
Oh no. Get back up there. Did you have one already?
I will.
Oh, it's delicious. Now I want to eat the, what is it? I forgot what the dish is called. It's the fried kimchi with tofu.
Fried kimchi?
Yeah, you just take the
두부
kimchi.
kimchi?
Dubu kimchi. Yeah.
Oh.
I want to eat that now. I just need some French fries
And Coke.
and